Hi everyone, welcome to VLSI Explore with Raman. Today, let's discuss one interesting system law question. Write a constant for 4 cross 4 two-dimensional array where each row has a different values, each column has a different values, the values in the range of 1 to 4. What are the conditions in two-dimensional array? Each row has a different values, each column has a different values, the values in the range of 1 to 4. Now, let's write for the code. I am declaring the class test. Let's declare the two-dimensional array. Int a, what is the size? 4. 4. Now, what is the first constant? The values in the range of 1 to 4. Constant values for each f I comma j f I f j inside 1 to 4. Now, second constant. Constant rows for each f I comma j. What they mention? Each row has a different values. You can use the unique keyword here. Unique f I. See here, all the values in the row has a unique values. Different values means unique values. That's why I'm using the unique keyword. Now let's write constant for the row. Constant column for each f j. I'm using the j. J means here column. Okay. Now use unique keyword. Unique f 0. 0 means first row j, comma, you have to repeat all the rows here. See here, I am using 0th row. Now you have to repeat up to 4 rows. Replace 0 with 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is column. Okay. The constant for the column is I am using the unique keyword to get the different values in column for each of a of j. End class. Let's declare the module to randomize the class test t initial begin t equal to I am creating the object t equal to new. Randomize the class. Randomize the class. Let's display the all the values for each t dot of I. Display the all the values. Display the values is octal D P comma T I comma T dot F I. End model. Let's run the code. Have declared the C constant, one for the values, another for the rows, third for the column. Unique of I am using iterating the all the rows and columns in the third column. See third constant column equal to unique of A of 0 J 1. This is J means column, I means this 0 means here row. 1 2 3 4. Okay. I am making the all the rows inside the column has different values. See here. Let's run the code. The values is 1 2 3 4 2 1 3 4 3 4 1 2 4 3 2 1. See all the rows and columns having different values. See rows 1 2 3 4. Any unique different all are different values here. If you like the content, please share and subscribe.